ka Jingkren ka bala pynmih jingïakynad ka ba la sapriang hakilat pathai kubor ka ba kano ba ka pynmih ye ki jingmut ba sharkhei halor ka jingkalaniam jubor bat ka jingle danbor kalawan ra ya ka jingtho ka bajur ka bala pynmih ru ya ka jingsungkhya halor ka jingedei paidbah bat ka jingetali hakijat bunri.
When Muslims go and conquer the adjacent country, what do? We kill them all? No. The Prophet says, the first thing you do is call them to Islam. If they refuse, then tell them Allah obliged upon you to pay taxation. In return, when enemy comes and attack your country, you don't fight. We Muslims protect you. Subhanallah, for this little money? Yes. And you enjoy sitting in your homes and in your country and live your life normally. But the ruling is for Sharia. So you do not open nightclubs, you do not fornicate. If they refuse, then we have to fight. And if we fight you, then we capture you, you become our slaves, and we take your land, and you take because you refuse. I give you two good options in the coming 40, 50 years when the Muslims become strong as they're supposed to be.